Good morning. Welcome back to the channel Awesome Learning. Children, today we are going to discuss about the new topic atomic number and atomic mass. First of all, we will see atomic number. Children, atomic number is the number of protons present in an atom. It is the number of protons of an atom which is determined and this is actually the atomic number. Okay, which determines its atomic number. So number of proton will tell you the atomic number of an element. It is always denoted by capital Z. The symbol for atomic number is capital Z. All the atoms of an element will have same atomic number. That means suppose there are 3 atoms of oxygen, so all the 3 will have the same atomic number. Okay, and this is the formula for atomic number. Atomic number, that is Z, is equal to number of protons. Both of them are same. And you also know that number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. That means if you have any one of them, that means if you have the value of any one of the 3, you can find out the value of other 2. Suppose you have a number of electrons, then you can find out the number of protons and the atomic number. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope you understood what is atomic number. Then we come to mass number. Children, I must tell you that mass number is also known as atomic mass. Mass number is also known as atomic mass. Okay, and what is mass number? We know that mass of an atom, I told you earlier also, mass of an atom is practically due to protons and neutrons. Why? Because electrons have no mass or negligible mass. So basically all the mass of the atom is actually given by protons and neutrons alone. So they both protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus of the atom. Hence, protons and neutrons are also called nucleons. They are also known as nucleons. Okay. Why? Because both protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. So they are also known as, they together are known as nucleons. Therefore, the mass of the atom resides in its nucleus. I have told you earlier also that all the mass of the atom is present in the nucleus. Now the mass number is defined as sum total of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. So what is the formula for mass number? Children, this is the formula for mass number. Its symbol is capital A. And what is the formula? The formula is number of protons plus number of neutrons. So this is how you can find out the mass number or atomic mass of an atom. Now here this is a table in which I have given you the symbol of name of the elements, their symbol, the number of protons they have, the number of neutrons they have, and their total mass number. As I told you that mass number is, how will you find out mass number? You will add number of protons and neutrons. So you see hydrogen, I told you that hydrogen is the only element which has no neutrons or which has 0 neutrons. So its mass number is 1. Now you see helium, 2 plus 2, 4. Lithium, 3 protons, 4 neutrons, so 7 is the mass number. So this is how this table gives you the number of protons and neutrons. You will write this table in your registers. So all the, see magnesium, now here in magnesium there are 12 protons and 12 neutrons. So the mass number is 24. So this is how you can find out the mass number of an element. Okay. Then children, here let me tell you one thing that in the notation for an atom, the atomic number and mass number and the symbol of the element are to be written as follows. This is how we write the notation of an element. We give the symbol of the element here, and superscript means a little bit above the symbol. Okay, we will write down the mass number. And subscript means a little bit below the symbol, we will write the atomic number. So this is how it is written. Now the example has been given to you that nitrogen is written as N is the symbol, and the number which is written above represents the mass number, and the number which is written below represents the atomic number. So if I give you a question here, suppose let me give you one question number 3. I had prepared 2 questions for you, but let me give you a third question here, that suppose you can get this, that suppose the this notation has been given to you. 14,7n is given to you. Okay, and if I ask you, children, tell me the atomic number and mass number of this element. So after seeing this notation, you will write down that atomic number of nitrogen is 7, because you know that atomic number is always placed below, and mass number of nitrogen is 14 because it is always written above. So this is how this can also be given in your examinations. Okay, this type of question can also come. So always remember, if something is written in this form, if an element has been given to you in this form, the number which is above represents the mass number, and the number which is below represents the atomic number. I hope this is quite clear to all of you. Then children, I had given you certain practice questions. See, first question. Question number 1 says, an element X. We have taken an element X which has 12 electrons and 11 neutrons. Okay. And they are asking you to calculate the atomic number, that is Z, and mass number A of the element. So first, when you start this type of question, always write given, whatever is given to you. So let's see what is given to us here. Here we have got number of electrons, because they have given us number of electrons. So number of electron is 12. Then they have also provided us with number of neutrons. So number of neutron is 11. Now we know that number of electrons is equal to number of protons. We know this, right? So now if we have electron, if the electron are 12, so the protons will also be 12, because we know that number of electrons are equal to number of protons, right? Then atomic number will also be 12. Why? Because what is the formula of atomic number? Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. तो देखा आपने, we have got only electrons, but because we have got electrons, we could find out protons also, we could find out atomic number also, right? So the atomic number of the element was also 12. Now let's find out the mass number. Mass number, that is A. Now we know the formula of mass number is number of protons plus number of neutrons. Just put down the values. Number of proton is 12. Number of neutrons are given 11. So when you add them, what is the answer? 23. So the mass number of the element X is 23. Next, let us see to the next numerical here. The next numerical is the mass number of an element X is 32. Now in this question, mass number is given to you and number of electrons are 13. So they are asking you to calculate the number of protons, neutrons and atomic number. तीनों चीजें निकालनी है. So let's first write the given part. Given is The mass number is given to you as 32 and the number of electron is given to you as 13. So we know the formula A is equal to P plus N. That means mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. And we know that protons are equal to electrons. So the both protons and electrons will be 13. So we will just put down the values in this formula. Now the values are atomic number is atomic mass or mass number is given 32. Number of protons here are given 13 and we have to find out the number of neutrons. So we'll just calculate number of neutrons and 32 minus 13, the answer is 19. Okay, so this is how such type of numericals can come and you will have to find out the answers. This is quite easy. So I hope now you are clear with atomic number and atomic mass.